Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a project in Canva. To copy a project in Canva, first of all, open your Canva application and log into your account. Now, go to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the hamburger menu. This will pop you open your menu section where you need to go ahead and select your recent design list. In order to copy a project, tap the three dots right next to the design and a menu pop-up will show on the screen. Click on Make a Copy button in the pop-up. You have now created a copy for your design. Inside the recent design list, a duplicate of the project will appear with the title copy of one of your design, which looks like this. Once you do that, you can open up the copied design to make changes without affecting the original one. So that's how you can easily copy a project on Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tutorials. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.